I'm Lokosu Silver. Today, I'm going to reveal an expert's secret to you. Depending on where you live, the online space is being flooded with experts every single day. Every new year, new experts come out, and of course, new skills come out. Recently, I began to think about another expert business, which is sustainable marketing. I can execute this idea and make a lot of money out of it. But here is one thing: most people have far more than what I know to start this kind of sustainable marketing expert business, but they are always at the back seat because of one thing. I've been a victim of this, and discovering these secrets made me irresistible, not just to my customers but also to my workers. One thing most people believe about starting an expert business is the lie that you need to have it all figured out. The truly experts that develop over time learn on the go. If you have the expertise to produce basic results for your client or to give basic expertise in whatever you do, it is already enough for you to get started. I know a lady who helped young women get started with their online courses and making money with whatever knowledge they have. As at the time she started in 2017, she was making exactly $0 online. She began to preach what is the truth, which means it is the truth, just that it has not manifested. The message is not about who preach it. It is about whether or not that message is truth. So she began to preach it. As time moved on, she began to get the result of the information he has been preaching. And as at the time I make this video, she earned as high as $500 to $2,000 to consult for people, young ladies who wants to use their knowledge to earn money online. She has several online courses that cater for those who cannot pay her fee, and she has written many other books that help people get their knowledge business started. The secret in this video is the fact that knowledge business people are not people who have it all figured out before starting. They are people who most time learn on the go, while the medium experts keep hiding. Becoming an expert is a journey, and you don't wait until you come to the end of the journey before you start making impact into your world. Please smash the like button. Comment below, let me know your take on this video. Ask your question, which I will either answer directly or make another video about it in the nearest future. See you in my next video.